So today we are working with YWigs and I'm doing crochet. This is my braid pattern, 360. So what I did was I did braids going back and then on the sides the braids going down because I really want the hair to fall. Like the sides are easy to camouflage. So this is the hair that I'm using. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles. Everything comes in this net here. This is what the hair looks like. Oh, this color is bright. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna take a piece of crochet hair, and for the front, I'm only gonna use this method in the front. So the way I crochet the front here is what I would call a seamless method. I'm just taking one piece of the crochet hair and I'm going to pull it through the front of the braid, and then I snake the crochet hair on each end just to lock it in place. This is something I only do where I have straight backs, and this just gives me like more of a flush look because the crochet piece is coming from the front of the braid. So that is something that I do with the straight backs, and that's initially why I do straight backs in the front, because I can do that method, that seamless method. Once I get to the sides, I just loop it the way I usually would. That is just my tip for crocheting the front and straight back braid. Now be mindful of how much hair you have, because that's going to determine how closely you put your crochet pieces together. To the front of a new braid, so I'm going to do the same thing and snake that first piece through. What that does is that just allows me to have a piece of crochet right at the front. I feel like that helps it look a bit more natural. So pretty. I didn't think this was going to be that pretty, but I love it. This is going to be perfect for ginger boho. So I'm going to speed the video up and then I'll be back in a little bit. Now I'm going to start to crochet the sides. This is our progress. I think this looks so good. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going to start to fill in the back. It's no different from how I crochet the rest, to be honest. And the reason I like my braids like this on the sides is so that if the wind blows, or if I want to do like some different hairstyles, if I want to pull it back into like a ponytail, I don't have these straight backs. This kind of gives me like, it camouflages more of the crochet knots to me. Last one, go like this. Okay, so if I pull it back, you know, instead of the straight backs like that, and then when it falls all together, it's gonna look so good. So for the back, you know that I've been looping one piece of crochet hair each time. I figured for the back, because I want the back to be very full, I don't want anyone to be able to see my braids, I started to loop two pieces. Take the needle, I take two, pull it through, and look how full that is. I feel like it's helping fill in the back a lot faster. So that's going to save you a lot of time. Just two. And that gives me like such, look at the volume. So I'm going to continue to do the same, fill these in. And I'm back. As you can see, we making progress. Yeah. You see how full this is? This is what I'm talking about. Okay? So we're in the final stretch. It is now 4:18. This is the last of the hair. This is the 5th pack. I did take a little break, wash some of the dye off my hands, so it does come off with soap and water. So I'm going to go back to doing one strand at a time with that same seamless method, like that. So for this part here, I'm just filling in the hair as usual, doing the seamless method in the front, and then the regular push pull loop for the rest. And then once I'm done with this, I will cut the hair just a little bit of shaping. Then I will add some products. I honestly like it better without the products, but they can easily be washed out. And I did blow dry the hair to bring back the full volume, but this hair is absolutely gorgeous, super lightweight, bomb. And this color, YWigs knows that this is my color. So if you are interested, check the links in the description box, okay? Because yeah, this hair is tea and spring is here. I feel it. Although I feel it's like 10 degrees today, I know spring is on the way, and this ginger color is going to eat down this spring. But yeah, I'm going to continue to crochet these pieces in, fill in the top. So stay tuned for the rest. So I'm all done. This is the finished look. I use every single piece of hair that came in the 5 packs. I love this deep wave texture because it's not too tight, so you're able to work product into it. This is it for the final look. I'm gonna have all the links down in the description box in case you were interested. Thank you to YWigs for sponsoring another video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video. Bye.